Someone get on the other side of Sean. So lift him up so we can push him back in the house.
Okay.
Hurry up. Lift him up, Daniel. Michael, help. No, you help Daniel go get Dad. Michael, help you go get Dad. Daniel, you go get Dad. Okay, lift him up. Michael, lift up his arm and help push him back through. The bottom. Lift up from the bottom.
Ow, 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 ow.
Really?
You told me to take Bella. It's your fault.
Get upstairs right now.
Sean, it's not
Get
you.
upstairs.
I got it on video, Mom.